chocolate because today we are going to be making an over-the-top chocolate pancake with salted caramel. So let's get started! So we're gonna start off by making the salted caramel. The first thing you need to do is put in 1 cup of sugar and ½ cup of water. So you're gonna stir that as little as possible for about 6 to 8 minutes, and that'll turn it into the deep caramelly color. In the meantime, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to 1 cup of heavy cream. So we're at the dark caramel color that we need to be, and if you're a temperature person, it needs to be between 175 degrees or 190 degrees C. So this is where it gets a little crazy. We're gonna pour in our cream and constantly stir. I put 1 heaping teaspoon of salt in the sauce, and look at this. If you're seeing me right now, this isn't really me because I'm in 10 different states of happiness right now. So I'm gonna give you the ingredients to the chocolate pancake down below in the description box, because if I don't, then the video will go on forever. Remember to put the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients and well mix it. Once it's well mixed, put it in the fridge for 1 hour. So I have my good friend Owen here, and he's gonna help me with the hot part of the pancakes.
Hey guys, Owen here. We need to use the leftover butter and put it on the burner.
Okay, Owen, now you're gonna put on some of our chocolate batter.
We are gonna cook that for 1 to 2 minutes, and then once it's all fully colored, we're gonna flip them.
It's time to flip it. Can he do it without making a mess? Okay, so we got a chocolate pancake ready, and we're gonna dress it up with fruit, chocolate, and caramel.
I'm putting on some Nutella for the bottom. After I've done the Nutella, I'm going to put on some bananas, strawberries, and kiwi.
Yummy!
Ah, let's try this bad boy. I can really taste the salted caramel and the beautiful, delicious fruit. And I can especially taste the Nutella. I love it so much, I could eat a bottle.
Thanks, friends, for joining me. Hey, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to subscribe and remember to be kind to one another. See you next Friday.